In this video we are going to be running Pocket Option Auto Trader on desktop, and I will let it take 5 trades or more so we can see how much profit we can make in that short time. If you want this binary option robot completely for free for yourself, you find link in the comments in X and link below the video at YouTube. So what are we waiting for? Let's start up the robot. But before we do that, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So with that, have a And just like that, 6 trades, 67 win rate and $4,348 profit. How amazing is that? So once again, if you want this binary option robot, you find link below the video at YouTube and you find links in the comment at X. So with that, have an amazing day.